Now let's check out some properties of scalar multiplication. If A and B are m by n matrices, and C and D are scalars, then the following properties are true. The associative property of scalar multiplication. And this states that CD times A equals C times DA. The scalar identity property states that 1 times A equals A. The distributive property number 1 states that C times A plus B equals the same thing as C times A plus C times B. And the distributive property number 2 states that C plus D times A equals the same thing as C times A plus D times A.